AIMSMART, your review authority.
Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang like, subscribe button, at notification bell para otomatiko kang maa-update sa mga latest videos na tiyak na makakatulong sa iyo.
Judicious Backbone, answer key to the AIMSMART Special Final Coaching Book, latest edition.
Number 1. Rafael Garofalo. Number 2. Paul Topinard. Number 3. Bonger. 4. Alphonse Bertillion. 5. Charles Goring. 6. Howard. 7. William Penn. 8. Sixto De Leon. 9. Santa Teresa, Fernandez, and Gabao. 10. Republic Act No. 11131.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
11. Both A and B. 12. Deferred. 13. 2 years. 14. 80%. 15. Criminology. 16. Sociology of Law. 17. Penology. 18. Feminist. 19. Victimology. 20. Criminalistics.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
21. Criminalist. 22. Criminologist. 23. Criminogenic. 24. Abrahamsen. 25. Logomacy. 26. Criminal demography. 27. Anthropology. 28. Corporate culture model. 29. Etiology of crime. 30. Subjective.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
31. Anthropological. 32. Physiognomy. 33. Phrenology. 34. Medical. 35. Psychiatric. 36. Physiological. 37. Psychoanalytical. 38. Objective. 39. Geographic. 40. Ecological.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
41. Socio Cultural. 42. Demonological. 43. Classical. 44. Lex Talionis. 45. That a man is subdued occasionally by a strange and morbid phenomenon which constrains him to do wrong in spite of or contrary to his own volition. 46. It considers the mental condition of the perpetrator and it does not focus on the injury caused by the commission of crime. 47. Cesare Bonesara Marchese de Becarria. 48. Bentham. 49. Neoclassical. 50. That the basis of criminal liability is human free will.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
51. Cesare Lombroso. 52. Cesare Becarria. 53. Ferry. 54. Garofalo. 55. Human ecology. 56. Cooperation. 57. David Emile Durkheim. 58. Anomy. 59. Criminality is a manifestation of psychological conflict and a criminal behavior in a form of neurosis. 60. Somatotyping.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
61. Ernest Kretschmer. 62. Asthenic. 63. Athletic. 64. Picnic. 65. William Sheldon. 66. Endomorphy. 67. Ectomorphy. 68. Mesomorphy. 69. Differential Association. 70. Edwin Sutherland.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
71. Strain theory. 72. Merton. 73. Containment. 74. Social conflict. 75. Socialist. 76. Subculture. 77. Differential opportunity. 78. Instrumental. 79. Neutralization. 80. Felony.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
81. Offense. 82. Infraction. 83. Technique. 84. Desire. 85. Opportunity. 86. Capability. 87. Acquisitive. 88. Extinctive. 89. Instant. 90. Rational crimes.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
91. Irrational Crimes. 92. White Collar. 93. Malicious Harrasment. 94. Criminal. 95. Acute. 96. Professional. 97. Accidental. 98. Habitual. 99. Active-aggressive. 100. Passive inadequate.
Judicious Backbone. Answer key to the AIMSMART Special Final Coaching Book, latest edition.
Nabitin ka ba sa ating talakayan? Panoorin mo ang iba pang videos ng ating Justice Body. Dahil ang sabi sa Kawikaan 13:20, ang nakikisama sa may unawa ay magiging matalino, ngunit ang kasama ng mangmang ay masusuong sa gulo.